So today guys, I'm going to show you how to remove this right here is the ignition. The ignition housing is for Mercedes an R-Class. Is a 2000 and I think like 2008. So what you do guys, you come close here. You just need something like this tool right here. Is something sharp, and then you just take it like round through here like this. So once you do that, this one comes out. This one right here comes out. Once this one comes out, you just push this inside. Then once that is done guys, you'll be good to go. And then you can pull it from down here, or you can pull it from the where the radio is. So I'm going to show you, since I'm going to take out the radio, so I'm just going to show you how to do this guys. Just in a moment, just hang in there and then watch. All right, so you just switch this like this. You take it like this, if you can see guys right here. And once you just do that, this guy, these locks right here will come out. So once these locks come out guys, you just take it out like this. Okay, so this guy comes out like this. So that's the lock. Okay, so guys, this is how the lock is. It locks this guy right here. So once it locks it, that's why it brings it all the way. There's nothing else holding this guy right here right now. You just push it, it just goes all in. So once you push it guys, you can pick it from here, or you can pick it from under here. So you can just take the cover and get it out. So I'm going to show you how to pull it. I'm going to pull it from here. I'll show you in a moment. So guys, I've taken out the radio, so I'm going to pull out the ignition thing. So it should come out from here. Okay. So guys, right here, just pull it from here. And you have two connectors right here. One connector is here, and then another one is right here. So when you take out these two connectors, it should be out. So this is how it should look like guys once it's out. So you got your ignition thing, then you should be good to go. I hope this video helps you out as you do your servicing from home. Alright, see you next time. I hope this video will help you out.